Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing and review of the CarlinKit 5 wireless adapter. What this unit does is to convert the wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system in your car's infotainment unit to a wireless one. Now we got this unit from Amazon India and cost us rupees 8,000. The unit is available globally and you can even buy one from CarlinKit's global website as well for 69 USD. They have two options for shipping, free and an expedited mode using DHL or FedEx. Now let's get to the unboxing. The box is very compact, as you can see. It's just this big. So I would assume the unit may not be bigger than a credit card. Oh my god, this is even smaller than I had thought. It's this big, guys. It's smaller than a credit card. So I'd assume there's a very small circuit inside. So it comes with this adapter and two USB cables. And what is this? This looks like a tape. Okay, double-sided tape to probably stick it below the dash where your USB port is. The unit is pretty compact, like I said, and the build quality is very good. It has these vent holes in the side you see here on both the sides. Although it looks very similar to the one we have seen on Western Digital external drives, the MyBook, but that has an Easter egg Morse code built into it. Behind the box, they have given some basic specifications. It supports over-the-air upgrade and it hardly consumes any power, 0.75 watt. And as far as Wi-Fi connectivity goes, it goes all the way till AC with both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. And it supports iPhone 6 from iOS 10 onwards and the Android devices from Android 11 onwards. So yeah, that's about it. What we'll do is we'll get to the car, connect the device and test it. I'm very curious to see if there are any apparent lags in the system, as we had come to know before with these wireless adapters. So this adapter comes with both the ports, a USB-C port on one side and the normal USB-A port on the other. We are supposed to be connecting it to the USB-C port. Connect the USB cable to the port which you would normally use for enabling Android Auto or CarPlay. Connecting to your phone is very simple and straightforward. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth, check the device list and connect to AutoKit 84E. As the device begins connecting to the system, you will see the logo flashing red, and once the connection is established, it will switch to blue and finally to green. So I am in my Honda Jazz and I will be using my iPhone 11 to test the CarPlay functionality. We will check Android Auto functionality on a different car using an Android device. Alright guys, I think you just made the connection. So if you turn on the lights, it goes to the dimmer mode, and if you turn it off, it goes to the bright mode. I can't see any lags, which is very good. Now what we'll do is we'll call someone and see how good the quality is, the audio quality, to see there's no difference. In the meantime, I want to listen to some soundtrack. Yes, I can pretty much confirm that there is a small sub-second lag when I change the track, as in the screen the next track displays while the music follows a second later. One good thing is it shows the battery life here. It never used to come when you connect the phone natively through the wire to the system. I can see that the battery life is being displayed there. Now let's try selecting the maps and see if there is any lag.
Head north.
Don't see any lag there in using maps. But what we have got to see is how this unit gets heated up right here. I don't see, there's a very slight warmth to it, but then the unit is just started. So we'll have to see after maybe an hour of usage, because when you're going on long drives, you got to see how well this unit gets heated up, and your phone is also going to get heated up, especially if you are running a map. So you'll have to be careful about that. Okay, so let me show you another glitch with this unit, a very minor one if you may. Now you are here in the home screen of this CarPlay unit, and we have connected the CarlinKit adapter there. Now if you come back to the home screen of the infotainment system and click on CarPlay, you can see the black screen here. You would think that the unit has actually hung up. So if you click like this, so there you go, it has come back. So it's like that, you know, you have to on. So that's there. This may vary with the different unit, so be wary of that. And other than that small lag that I said when you play Amazon Music, that is there. So I can't, there's no drop in the call quality or something. The other party was able to hear what I was speaking perfectly without any difference in the quality. So okay guys, now let me show you how long it takes for the system to boot up and reach the CarPlay home screen once you start the car and begin driving. System has turned blue. Okay, now we have reached the system, so it takes a little longer than usual. We timed it and it was 45 seconds. We also did a quick test using the lightning cable to check how long it took for the infotainment unit to reach the CarPlay home screen. And it took about 16 seconds, 1/3 of the time than it would take with the CarPlay adapter. So quite a significant difference right there. So you can see that the system booted within 16 seconds of connecting the cable to the phone. Guys, we are in the Toyota Urban Cruiser, and we'll be testing the wireless Android Auto using the Vivo V29 device. We have the CarlinKit adapter here. Okay, start the car. Connect the device. It has started initializing. You can see the device glowing red. Okay. So yeah, it has reached the operable stage now. Now let's test the device by connecting through the wired means. Start the car.
Hello, DD Pi.
There you go. You can see that the wired connection in any car is going to be much faster. This unit is totally worth it, guys, especially for a lot of them who hate seeing cables dangling all the way from the unit here. I know some of the units have still have cables from the top of the unit. Some prefer giving it from the back, in which case you can still hide it. A little expensive, if I may add. If something like had it been 3,500 or 4,000 rupees, like say 50 USD or something, it would have been really nice. So yeah, we hope that there are many more devices that will come up, and the price of this unit will come down in the future. Thank you so much for watching, guys.